Ever wondered how to seamlessly move your money or crypto around in the digital world? Maybe you've heard of Uphold, and you're curious about its potential. Or perhaps you're already an account holder, and you're just looking for a clear, concise guide on making a transaction. You're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the practical steps of making a transaction on Uphold, demystifying the process and empowering you to take control of your digital assets. Uphold stands out with its unique anything-to-anything trading model. This means you can directly convert one asset to another without multiple conversions, saving you time and potentially fees. Whether you're looking to convert Bitcoin to US dollars, gold to Ethereum, or even send money to a friend in a different currency, Uphold simplifies the process. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, ensure your Uphold account is verified. This crucial step is for your security and compliance and will unlock the full functionality of the platform. Once you're logged in and verified, making a transaction is remarkably straightforward. Let's break it down into a few simple steps. First, identify what you want to transact from and what you want to transact to. On the Uphold dashboard, you'll typically see a Transact button or a similar option. Clicking this will bring up the transaction interface. Next, you'll choose your from currency or asset. This could be any of the cryptocurrencies, fiat currencies, or precious metals you hold in your Uphold wallet. Simply select it from the drop-down menu. Then, you'll choose your currency or asset. This is where the anything-to-anything magic truly shines. You can select another cryptocurrency, a fiat currency for withdrawal to a bank account, or even send it to another Uphold user. Once you've selected your from and to assets, you'll input the amount you wish to transact. Uphold will then display a clear summary of your transaction, including the exchange rate, any applicable fees, and the exact amount you will receive. It's crucial to review this summary carefully before proceeding. Double-check the amounts, the currencies, and the recipient if you're sending funds to another person. Finally, with everything confirmed, you'll hit the Confirm or Send button. Depending on your security settings, you might be prompted for a two-factor authentication code to complete the transaction. Once confirmed, your transaction will be processed, and you will typically see it reflected in your account history almost instantly. Remember that while transactions between Uphold users are generally instant, transfers to external bank accounts or crypto wallets might take a little longer due to traditional banking hours or blockchain confirmation times. And that's it. You've successfully made a transaction on Uphold. This platform truly simplifies what can often be a complex process in the world of digital finance. With its intuitive interface and versatile trading options, Uphold makes managing your diverse portfolio incredibly accessible. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.